Hi guys, hello everyone, good evening. Today I'm gonna be preparing some chicken wrap for my kids. Yeah, I've got my chicken breast I got from Lidl's. I've got some seasoning, all purpose seasoning. I've got chicken seasoning to add. I've got my curry and thyme. Then I've got the wrap I'm going to be using, and I've got cucumber. I normally use cucumber and carrot, but I don't have carrot today. I can just use cucumber today. So this is my chicken breast. I'm going to be adding lemon to wash it, the lemon juice to clean it because of the preservative. I'm going to wash. Sorry guys. Wash. Okay. Then next thing, I'm gonna be slicing the chicken breast. Yeah, this is how I do it. I'm gonna slice it in cube just for the feeling of the wrap. Yeah. My kids love this so much. One of their favorite meals. Okay guys, I've got my washed and sliced chicken breast. I'm going to pour them inside a cooking pot. I'm going to slice it because my kids don't normally like onion. I'm going to add a bit of onion to it, just to boil the chicken. I'll be adding some thyme. I'll be adding a pinch of curry, some chicken seasoning, and my all-purpose seasoning, which is going to do the job. I put on my cooker. I'm going to stir it, so allow it bring out its own juice before I add some water to it. Cover to let it cook. Guys, like I told you, I normally use vegetable with the chicken wrap. The vegetable I use is cucumber and carrot, but today I'm not having carrot. I'm going to be using just cucumber for the kids. So what I do, I grate my cucumber. I grate. Then I use it as a filling with the chicken. As you can see guys, this is the outcome of our cooked chicken breast, seasoned cooked chicken breast. And this is the cucumber, the grated cucumber. Like I told you, I don't have carrot at home today, but the kids are going to be managing this with the wrap. And I'm going to be using some sweet chili. I've got just a few more remaining. I'll go for shopping. Then I'm going to be using the mayonnaise. I normally use the light mayonnaise. So I'm going to be adding some sweet chili to my cooked chicken breast. I'll be adding some mayonnaise. Then I'll give a good stir. I'll mix together. Mix. Mix properly. Sorry, I was supposed to use a deep plate, but mix. can add the quantity of your own choice. Mix properly. Then after mixing, the next step, I'm going to be mix very well. So this is ready for the filling. Then now my wrap, I'm going to be putting on my cooker on at a very low heat. The fry pan on it. Once the fry pan is hot, I'm going to be putting my wrap on the fry pan just to make it a bit softer for easy folding. Sorry you guys, don't do this at home. It's dangerous. So I'm just trying to feel the heat. So there you go, that's it. Just for guys, make sure you keep your workspace very clean. So I've cleaned my workspace, looking very clean and tidy. So now this is the wrap. We're going to be filling it with the chicken, already mixed chicken. I give them a whole lot of chicken. You know chicken is protein, good for kids. Filling it with chicken. Then here I'll be adding my grated cucumber. Like I told you, I don't have carrots at home today and the kids really want to eat wrap. So it's not bad. I'm filling it with this. Then this is my own method of sewing the wrapping it. That is it, guys. Yummy. Give it a try. You will never regret doing this. Guys, this is the outcome of it. Yummy, so yummy. Please, guys, don't forget to share, like, and comment on my video. See you on my next video. Bye.